Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with our small exercises, combined exercises like which is given in our book in the form of test papers. So we have started with our test papers and we have completed our test paper number 1 day before yesterday, and yesterday we have started with our test paper 2 in which we have done 3 exercises, and I hope children you all have completed those 3 exercises in your textbook of EVS. Those who have not completed, children, please make sure that you complete it on time, okay, and it will be very helpful for you all for the short recap of all the chapters based on chapter number 9 to chapter number 16. Is that clear, children? Now, as you all know that for doing test paper number 2, we have to take out our nature learner EVS book. So please children, take out your books and turn to page number 111. As you can see, page number 111, okay, test paper number 2. Now children, I hope you all have completed yesterday's work, so I will give you a very quick and short recap of all the 3 exercises which we have done yesterday, so that those who have not done their work or those who have missed my yesterday's video, they can understand from this video. Okay, so in test paper 2, children, what we have done yesterday was the first exercise of tick the correct answers. Okay, now in this there were questions, 5 questions given with 3 options, and one option was correct, so we have to put a tick in front of that correct option. Is that clear? So first question is, which one is not a fruit? Among these 3 names, which is not a fruit? Mango is a fruit, orange is a fruit, but almond is not a fruit. It is a dry fruit. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of almonds. Now coming to the second question, which one is a domestic animal? In तीनों में से कौन सा domestic? Is it lion, children, or is it a cow, or is it a tiger? Now, as you all know, what is domestic animal, children? Domestic animals are those animals which we can keep in our homes or we can keep in our farms. Okay, so as you all know that lion and tiger are wild animals. We cannot keep them in our homes. Okay, so cow is the animal which is a domestic animal. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of this. Now coming to the third question, which landform is good for growing crops? Hills, plains or mountains? कौन सा landform ऐसा है जो हमारा जो crops grow करने के लिए सबसे best है? That is plains. Okay, as you all know that mountains and hills are made up of hard rocks. Now coming to the fourth question, how many sides are there in all? If there are 2, 3 or 4 sides, so the correct answer is 4, so we will put a tick in front of 4. There are 4 sides. You all know names of those 4 sides are front, back, right and left, and there are also 4 directions, and the names of those 4 directions are east, west, north and south. Now coming to the fifth sentence, which season is very cold? कौन सा season सबसे ज़्यादा cold होता है? Is it summer, winter or monsoon? Correct answer is winter. So I hope you all have understood this. Now coming to the second part, B part, in which we have to give 2 examples for each of the following. Okay, now root vegetables. We have to give 2 examples of root vegetables, stem vegetables, leafy vegetables and flower vegetables. So the first one is root vegetables. 2 examples are carrot and radish. Then second is stem vegetables. 2 examples are ginger and potato. Third is leafy vegetables. 2 examples are spinach and cabbage. And the fourth last one is flower vegetables. For the 2 examples are cauliflower and broccoli. Is that clear? So I hope this question is also very clear to you all. Now coming to the C part, which we have done yesterday. In this C part, we have to identify these pictures and we have to tell them that which means of transport is it. Is it okay? Now first picture is of car. And you all know that car is a land transport, as we can travel in car on land. Okay, so we will write land transport. Then second is ship, which sails on water, so water transport. Then third is scooter, that travels on land, that means it is a land transport. And last one is aeroplane, which in aeroplane we can transport through air, so that means it is a air transport, it is an air transport. So we will write air transport. Is that clear? So this was the these were the three exercises which we have completed yesterday. Now children, coming to page number 111, 111. So there are three more exercises, D, E and F, very easy, so we will complete them today. Okay, so coming to the D part, listen to this video very carefully children, very easy and interesting. Match the animals with the things they give us. Now in the first column there are four pictures of some animals. Okay, four animals, there are four animals given in these circles, and in the second column there are some things given. Okay, some things are given in the circles, and you have to match these animals with these things, which animal gives what particular thing. Is that clear? कौन सा इनमें से कौन सा एनिमल क्या क्या चीजें हमें इन एनिमल से क्या क्या चीजें मिलती हैं, we have to match like that. Okay, so first of all, first number is cow. So cow gives us milk, as you all know. So we will draw a straight line from cow to C part, that is milk. Is that clear? Cow gives us milk. Now second is hen. Hen gives us eggs. So what we will do, we will draw a straight line from hen to D part, that is eggs. Clear? Now coming to the third picture, that is of a bee. Here it is written also bee, and what do we get from bees? We get honey. So we will draw a straight line from B to B part, that is honey. Is that clear? And in the last, it is the picture of a sheep, and sheep gives us wool. So we will draw a straight line from sheep to A part, that is wool. Is that clear? Once again, you can understand this. Cow gives us milk, so we will draw a line from cow to milk. We will match cow to milk because cow gives us milk. Then second is hen. Hen gives us eggs, so we will match hen with eggs. Then third is bee. Bee gives us honey, so we will match bee with honey. And in the fourth, sheep, we get wool from sheep, so we will match sheep with wool. Is that clear to you all children? Good. Now coming to the E part, in this, what you have to do, write the number of days in each month. Here there are five months given. Okay, names of 5 months are given here. First is January, March, June, August and November. And now we have to write here the number of days. If there are 30 days or 31 days, whatever, so we have to write according to these months. Now as you all know, first one is January. So January has 31 days. Is that clear? So January has 31 days. We will write 31 in numerical form and days. Okay. Now second is March. Now March contains how many days? 31 days again. So we will write 31 in number and days. Okay. Now coming to the third part, that is June. June contains 30 days, so we will write 30 in numerical value, and then we will write the spelling of days. Is that clear? 30 days. Then comes your fourth month, that is August. So August contains 31 days again. We will write 31 days. Then in the last, it is given, the fifth month is given November. So we will write again, November contains 30 days. Okay. Last month was of November only, so it was having only 30 days, so we will write here 30 days. Is that clear? Again I am repeating, January contains 31 days, March 31 days, June 30 days, August 31 days and November 30 days. Is that clear to you all children? Now coming to the next last exercise for today, that is answer the following questions. Here you have to answer the questions. So you can give the answers in one word also or in one sentence also. First question is, what are the main means of water transport? Okay. So the first question is asking us about the main means of water transport. हमें यहाँ पे water transport के main means बताने हैं. Okay, so we have learnt about 3 means in our book, as you remember. So we will write here those 3 means of water transport. First was ships, SHIPS, ships. Then streamers, 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 and boats, BOATS, boats. Is that clear? So the answer is ships, streamers, and boats are the means of water transport. Is that clear? Now coming to the second question, why should we not play with sharp objects? हमें sharp objects से क्यों नहीं खेलना चाहिए? So this is the question from your chapter keeping safe. Okay, so हमें sharp objects से क्यों नहीं खेलना चाहिए? Because we can get hurt. HURT, hurt. हमें चोट लग सकती है, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लग सकती है. That's why we should not play with sharp objects. Is that clear? Now coming to the third question, why are there very few animals and plants in the deserts? Deserts में बहुत कम animals और plants क्यों होते हैं? Because there is BECAUSE, because there is very less water. Is that clear? वहाँ पे वाटर की कमी होती है, पानी बहुत कम होता है, इसलिए वहाँ पे बहुत ही थोड़े से एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स होते हैं. Is that clear, children? Now, what are the 4 directions? As you all know, there are 4 sides and there are 4 directions. So here here the question is asking us about 4 directions. So what are the 4 directions? East, EAST, east. West, WEST, west. Then north, NORTH, north. And in the last, south, SOUTH, south. East, west, north, south. Is that clear? And remember, children, make sure that you all write these spellings and the words should be in capital letter. Okay, first letters should be with capital letter. East, west, north, and south. Is that clear? These are the 4 directions, and 4 sides were front, back, right, and left. But here we have only asked 4 directions. So we will write east, west, north, and south. Now coming to the last fifth question. Name all the seasons that occur in a country. In this question, children, we have to write the names of the seasons that occur in a country. All the seasons. Okay. As you all know that when we have studied this seasons chapter, in that chapter it was given in 2 ways. Okay. It was written as there are 3 main seasons in our country, that is summer, monsoon, and winter, and there are 2 short seasons in our country, spring and autumn. But here it is asked that we have to write all the seasons that occur in our country. So there are total 5 seasons, so we have to write the names of 5 seasons which occur in our country. Okay, so the first is summer, SUMMER, summer. Then winter, WINTER, winter. Then monsoon, MONSOON, monsoon. Then spring, SPRING, spring. AND, and the last one is autumn, AUTUMN. Okay, so these are the 5 seasons which occur in our country: summer, winter, monsoon, spring, and autumn. Is that clear? Now again I am repeating these question answers, children. Listen to them carefully. First question was, what are the main means of water transport? Ships, streamers, and boats. Second question, why should we not play with sharp objects? Answer is because we can get hurt. Third question, why are there very few animals and plants in the deserts? Answer is because there is very less water. And fourth question is, what are the 4 main directions? East, west, north, and south. And the last question, name all the seasons that occur in our country. So the answer is summer, winter, monsoon, spring, and autumn. Is that clear to you all, children? I hope all these question answers and all these 3 exercises which we have done today are very clear to you all. And I hope you will all complete this work by today itself. Those who have not completed, please make sure you complete your previous work also by Sunday and come to school to get your copies corrected from Monday. Okay. Now, Children, with this video I will be giving you an assignment for today, and in that assignment I will attach this picture of this page, so you can write from there. Is that clear? So from next week we are going to start with our revision work for the exams which we are for the post mid term examinations, which are going to be held from 14th of December. Is that clear to you all, children? So make sure you complete all your work and start learning also. Now children, please make sure that whatever the instructions, whatever the work I am giving you all, you should follow the same thing. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.